Why don't you make my main hustle your side hustle? What's up, everyone? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today we're talking about side hustle ideas. Just because it's my main hustle doesn't mean it can't be your side hustle. Okay, start with one item. Okay, so folding chairs.
This is like money right here. I'm looking at money.
You need to find a problem that you can solve. People need to sit. That's a common problem. Now, chairs can solve that.
You're having an event and people need to sit down. You're not going to go out and buy 300 chairs just to hold one event. You're definitely going to rent.
Get a piece of that pie. Buy some chairs, start renting them out. All you have to do is store them in a stack in your garage. Hell, you can store them in your bedroom if you want. Doesn't matter. Perfect moneymaker. Everyone needs to sit. That one item is just gonna lots of money. It doesn't have to be chairs. It can be whatever you want it to be. So find what people need, find that problem, get that item, and start renting it. That's a good side hustle. But for progression of this video, we're gonna go with what I do, which is rentals. Now that you've got your finger in the pie, I mean, you could settle at one item, but why not expand to another item? That extra money's probably feeling pretty good. Same thing goes for pop-up tents. People might think it's a good idea.
Oh, I'm gonna grab a pop-up tent. Then they're like, oh wait, I need the weights. I need walls. I need all this.
So if you have all of them, you can just rent them out quick. And the thing about pop-up tents is that the margins are high. So take a look at a local company and see how much they're renting a pop-up tent for versus how much it's actually worth.
And pop-up tents are easy. Check out my video on how to start a rental company with just pop-up tents.
You, my friend, have just entered the world of multiple revenue sources. Renting things, you can rent different items and each one's a different revenue stream. I run out of my garage, so it's a rental company. Side hustle, main hustle, side hustle, main hustle, side hustle, main hustle. And it's quite profitable for me, so I'm gonna show you how it works.
So right here I have the tents, easy grab and go for me. 10 by 10 light duties, 10 by 10 professionals, tent weights. I've got some tables there. This bay is gonna be where the dirty stuff comes in, and then once it's clean and an order's picked and ready, they'll sit here in piles, ready to go out and be delivered or picked up.
All right, coming full circle. Find a problem, get an item to solve that problem, start renting that item. That item's your side hustle, so grow your side hustle. If it grows big enough, make it your main hustle. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure and sub to the channel if you enjoyed my content. Have a good one.